Hey folks, welcome back here to the Biggest Down channel. We're here on Valley of Fire Highway. Fire! Here in, we are about 45 miles northeast of Las Vegas. Wanted to highlight a good day trip for visitors, especially if you have a rental car. Come on out here and take a look at the Fire Rocks, Valley of Fire. This is not to be confused with Red Rock Canyon, which is out on the west end of Las Vegas at the end of Charleston Boulevard. This is Seven Sisters, it says. On the left here is that, well, I don't see 7 there. Day use only. And then you've got, oh, that's pretty cool looking. Looks like a human head there. Check that out. Day use only, sunrise to sunset. Wow, that's really cool. Probably have someone come in there and carve a head out of that. Although I don't know much about rock carving. In fact, I don't know anything about it. Temperature outside right now, 118 degrees Fahrenheit. Otherwise, I'd get out and show you more, but we did buy the annual pass, so we can get out here and take a look for you in the winter months. Speed limit's 35 on this Valley of Fire highway, but you don't want to be racing through here anyway. There's a lot to see with these red rocks. The admission was $10. You can take Interstate 15 from the Strip. Interstate 15 very closely parallels Las Vegas Boulevard and the Strip there, just to the west. And you can jump on the 15 and take it out here. It's a Valley of Fire highway. It's a good day trip. Come out here and escape the loss of money at the casinos. Or maybe you're winning big. I don't know. I never did. See these red rock formations here. Very cool stuff. Visitor Center is in half a mile. Mouse's Tank, Rainbow Vista, and White Domes. Let's take a look at this road up here. See what there is to see. Debris and water over road ahead. That's probably the case when it's raining. White Domes Road. Let's see White Domes Road. See what that looks like. Visitor Center not very busy. It is, of course, 4:10 in the afternoon, so that's not very surprising. No drinking water available beyond this point. Water filling station at Visitor Center. Awesome rock formations here. I love being able to get right up and close to them, although there's always the avalanche risk too, but it's cool to get up right here next to it. Yeah, this is cool. Thanks for coming cruising with us here on the Biggest Down channel. Valley of Fire State Park. So this is Mouse's Tank Road that we're on here. Very cool. Surrounded by red rocks here. Beautiful. This road's subject to flash flood. Man, you know what? When it rains out here, I bet there's waterfalls galore off of these rocks. That would be a sight to see. course, it doesn't rain all that often, so you really have to be very lucky to capture that. Had a viewer mention that he did that once at when he went to Hoover Dam and captured all of the. He was happened to be out there during a rainstorm, like a 20-minute rainstorm, and it all the rock faces around Hoover Dam there all turned into waterfalls. Mouse's Tank. Let's pull off here real quick, see if we can see what is Mouse's Tank. Oh, okay, that's why it's named that. Directly ahead of us. You see all the little holes? Look like little cheese holes in the rock face there. Right in front of us. That's really cool. Now I understand why they call it Mouse Tank. Right on. Cool stuff. Look at that rock face, that's cool. This is cool too, wow. Pedestrian crossing. I guess this Jeep is waiting for me. Apologies for the bumpy camera there. This roadway is pretty bumpy. Try and straighten it up there for you. Car now reads 117 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, this is definitely worth the price and the cost of coming out here, I think, in my opinion. I mean, how many places do you see natural formations like this? Really, really cool stuff. And you don't want to race through it. It would be cool to be out here when it's raining, though. Look at those on the left there. That kind of looks like faces, maybe. Kind of like cloud watching, huh? Up here, we've got something called Rainbow Vista, straight ahead. Some people over here off to our right. I'm going to pull off. There's a truck behind me. I want to let him go. I'm not sure if this is the Rainbow Vista here. But it's still cool to look at, in my humble opinion. Next 4 miles, we got some squigglies. And we're going downhill too, it looks like. Check out this terrain over here off to the left. That's got to be an ATV enthusiast's dream. Fire Canyon up here on the right, it says Silica Dome. Well, we certainly need to investigate that. All sorts of little roads in here. Unnamed road near Overton, it says on GPS. We should name it the Vegas Dawn Road. Vegas Dawn on YouTube channel. Road. Sad kind of not having a named road. This is definitely a break from the urban exploring we do in Las Vegas. But again, in the interests of showing you areas where you can go and take a day trip outside of Vegas, like Mount Charleston or Hoover Dam, or here, certainly, Valley of Fire. We wanted to bring it to you. Temperature right now reads 117 degrees Fahrenheit. Got some hikers over here off to our right. Speed limit drops to 15 up here. Road closed ahead, Fire Canyon, Silica Dome. Off to the right here. Okay. And we have, I'm gonna go ahead and get out here because there's a sign here I want you guys to be able to see. Oh yeah, it looks like Overton out there, way out there in the distance. Little mountain town. Not sure what there is out there. Fire Canyon, it says here. In this region, forces within the earth have been powerful enough to cause thousands of feet of surface rock to fold, break, and in some areas push several miles from their original location. Today, erosion has worn away the top of one great fold, exposing the sharply angled layers of rock and creating numerous small canyons. Fire Canyon here in front of us. Very cool stuff. And then Silica Dome, I'm assuming, is that feature there. Good stuff. Go ahead and venture back into the car. So I'm guessing that's Silica Dome right there in front of us. And we will continue our adventure out here in the Valley of Fire State Park. Looks like a lightning rod or something there in this little building, this little structure here. They got a picnic table out here. It'd be a cool place if it was nice out, the weather was nice out. Come out here and have a little picnic here at the Valley of Fire. It's pretty cool. No overnight camping because they don't allow anyone out here overnight anyway, which is probably a good idea. You're not familiar with the roads, and there's a lot of danger just from parking off the roadway here. Temperature still 117. Time is approaching 4:20 p.m. here in the afternoon. I want to thank all of you so very, very much for joining. We really appreciate each and every single one of you. And as always, please do like, follow, and subscribe to us on YouTube and TikTok. It helps recommend us to other viewers, especially the algorithm. When you like, follow, and subscribe, it helps the algorithm push us up to other viewers. So your voice carries far more weight with the algorithm than you realize. Or you may realize. Maybe you do realize, I don't know. Shout out to our longtime viewers and members of our community. No stopping or leaving the roadway next 4 miles. Park in designated lots only next 4 miles, these signs say here. Soft shoulder. All hiking prohibited beyond this point. They don't want you hiking out here. Also, if you haven't already, please check out our merch section available on the shop section of YouTube. We've got these awesome shirts with the Vegas Don logo on top of the Las Vegas Strip available for you. So feel free to check those out. Maybe for yourself or a significant other. We've got Christmas coming up. And as always, remember here on the Vegas Don channel, it's the journey. Thank you for coming cruising with us. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.